The world of copywriting is changing, fast. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is here, and it's ready to help you write better copy, faster. Imagine brainstorming blog topics, generating catchy headlines, or even drafting entire website pages, all with the help of AI. This isn't science fiction. AI tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of producing high-quality, engaging content. They can analyze data, understand your target audience, and even mimic different writing styles. But don't worry, this isn't about robots taking over. AI is a powerful tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it. It's like having a tireless writing assistant, always ready to help you overcome writer's block and boost your productivity. Ready to unlock the power of AI for your copywriting? Let's dive in. AI is a powerful tool, but it's important to remember that it's just that, a tool. It's not here to replace your creativity, your unique voice, or your understanding of your audience. Think of AI as your co-pilot, helping you navigate the world of copywriting more efficiently. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, stuck on a headline. AI can generate dozens of options based on your keywords. Save time. AI can quickly draft product descriptions, social media posts, and even longer-form content, freeing you up to focus on strategy and editing. Improve your writing. AI can help you identify grammar errors, improve sentence structure, and even suggest more impactful vocabulary. Remember, AI is a tool to enhance your skills, not replace them. Your creativity and strategic thinking are what will make your copy truly stand out. With so many AI copywriting tools available, it can be tough to know where to start. Let's look at some popular options. ChatGPT. This versatile tool excels at generating human-like text in various formats, from poems to code. It's great for brainstorming, drafting content, and even having a conversation to spark new ideas. Jasper. Known for its user-friendly interface and long-form content generation capabilities, Jasper is a popular choice for bloggers, marketers, and businesses. Copy.ai. As the name suggests, Copy.ai specializes in crafting compelling copy for various marketing materials, including websites, ads, and social media. Writesonic. This tool offers a variety of templates and features to help you create different types of content, from blog posts to product descriptions, making it a good all-around option. The best tool for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Experiment with free trials and explore different features to find the perfect fit for your copywriting workflow. Any errors or inconsistencies before publishing or sharing. Section 5. Pricing your services. Attracting clients in the AI age. Pricing your copywriting services in the age of AI can feel tricky. Here are a few things to keep in mind. First, value-based pricing. Focus on the value you bring to your clients, not just the time you spend on a project. Highlight your expertise in strategy, creativity, and understanding your target audience. Next, package your services. Offer different tiers of service to cater to various budgets and needs. For example, you could offer basic AI-generated copy with light editing, or more comprehensive packages that include strategy, research, and multiple rounds of revisions. And then, educate your clients. Some clients may be hesitant about AI-generated content. Take the time to explain your process and emphasize that you're using AI as a tool to enhance your skills, not replace them. By focusing on value, offering flexible options, and educating your clients, you can position yourself for success in the evolving landscape of copywriting. Section 6. Embrace the future of copywriting. The future of copywriting is here, and it's powered by AI. By embracing these tools, you can unlock new levels of creativity, efficiency, and success. Remember to focus on your unique strengths, use AI as a tool to enhance your skills, and never stop learning and evolving. The world of copywriting is changing, and those who adapt and embrace the power of AI will be the ones who thrive.